Olivia is experiencing a fan for the first time.
Olivia, it's a fan. And it's turning all by itself.
She had some fun squawks earlier. As one could guess. It's pretty warm here. As Daddy was commenting, it's the first time she's actually wanted to go into jail.
You want to see what that fan's all about, don't you? What is that thing? You feel frustrated by the walls, keeping you in, keeping you out?
She's like, let me in, let me in. It's the beginning of a beautiful relationship.